This is a review of the air purifier. This particular one has 3 fan speeds and also a sleep mode. And the brand sent this to me to open up and do a review. But here's the air purifier. Okay. All right. What we do is we unlock, unpack. Mine doesn't have a bag over it, so just make sure that you take it out and double check. Return to the locking position. So to use the aroma diffuser, you just open this cap up and yeah, there it is. There's that aroma chamber. And you do a couple drops of your essential oil in the aroma pad. I have 2 cats and 1 dog. It is virtually impossible, with even despite every effort, to keep this house dust and pet hair free. And so I am looking forward to having this particular one in my office room. Yeah, we've got fan as low, high, and sleep mode, and then we've got a timer as well of 6, 12, and 24 hours that we can use. I'm gonna just have it run continuously by pressing the power button.